Good afternoon, everybody. Let me congratulate you on the World Refrigeration Day. Refrigeration has definitely changed the way we live and has transformed the way we feed the world. Especially for this occasion, I will show you a short video I made some time ago. I hope you will enjoy it, so relax and watch. The project is based on the experience gained while participating in the Fulbright graduate program and includes the creation of a mobile exhibition on the development of refrigeration in Russia and the United States, as well as the creation of an animated computer game in the genre of road movie about refrigeration vehicles. Today, the majority of human activity areas include cooling as a necessary part of technological processes. But it wasn't always like that. Before refrigerators appeared, food was stored in the cellars together with the ice harvested on ponds in spring. On August 8, 1899, the Minnesota inventor Albert Marshall patented a refrigerator. In 1926, Albert Einstein and his former student Leo Szilard proposed a design for an absorption refrigerator. In the same year, Danish engineer Christian Steenstrup developed a convenient, silent and durable refrigerator in which a sealed hood hid all mechanical parts. And company General Electric immediately bought a patent for it. And the very next year, the mass production of this model, named Monitor Top, was started. This model was the first truly folk refrigerator. Over 1 million units have been sold. In the Soviet Union, the All-Union Scientific Research Refrigeration Institute was organized for the development of refrigeration technologies. In addition to it, in 1931, in Leningrad, the Leningrad Technological Institute of Refrigeration Industry was founded. By the mid-30s, the refrigeration sector of Soviet Union had reached a considerable size, but Anastas Mikoyan at the Conference of Refrigerators in March 1935 noted that the Soviet refrigeration industry had another backward section, the refrigerated vehicles. At the end of 1935, the Soviet Union sent a group of specialists to the United States to study the production of refrigeration equipment. In 1936, an extensive report was presented based on the result of this business trip. It detailed the state of refrigeration equipment production in the United States. The report also contained a number of proposals for the development of refrigeration equipment in the Soviet Union. In the Soviet Union, the first compression refrigerator was released in 1937 at the Kharkov tractor plant. It took 2 years to debug serial production, and in 1940, 3,500 units were already manufactured. The first refrigeration vehicles were also containers for transporting the ice. Beginning in the mid-1920s, specialized vehicles began to appear in the United States to transport perishable products. Various methods were used to maintain low temperature, either by using dry ice or an ice-salt mixture, or by using the so-called petrogas, a hydrocarbon similar to propane, which is also a refrigerant. In the Soviet Union, the first isothermal vans were built in 1932-1933. One of them was mounted on a Ford truck chassis. In 1934, isothermal vans were built on the Gas AA and ZIS-12 chassis. It was a significant step forward in the creation of economical Soviet refrigerators. In the same year, the Moscow Meat Processing Factory developed the design and built bus-type refrigerators for the meat transporting. Refrigerators on the ZIS-5 chassis were also mastered in 1937. Cooling in them was still carried out with an ice-salt mixture. Nowadays, the permanent sources of cold at the refrigerators are specially mounted compressor units. Such units appeared in the United States before the beginning of the Second World War. In the late 50s, similar units began to be produced in the Soviet Union, and by the beginning of the 70s, the fleet of refrigerated trucks had grown to a considerable size. Currently, virtual reality technologies are widely used in the design, development, and selection of various technical and logistics solutions. In this project, the creation of the model of a refrigerator and its subsequent testing in the three-dimensional space is performed in the middleware visualizer Real Virtuality 1. The selected simulation environment not only uses real-time shading and lighting, dynamic weather effects, and changing the time of day, but also makes it possible to create open large spaces, which in turn allows developing quite complex rules for the movement of refrigerated vehicles. The computer systems takes into account the variety of ground structures, terrain, conditions associated with the time of the year and day, traffic conditions, and the behavior of other computer control scenario participants. Alright, thanks for watching. By the way, did you recognize a scene from classic road movie Vanishing Point? Here it was visualized in Real Virtuality 1 Operation Flashpoint program. Many thanks to all members of international team of add-on makers and especially to user named Makin for add-ons of Chevrolet trucks. That's all. Hope you enjoyed the video.